Some may say it's a Christmas miracle, but we might say we knew exactly what was about to happen. Bitcoin rallying back to 99,000 and Ripple breaking back above that $2.30 price range. What's going on? What does 2025 look like? And why is RLUSD going to be one of the most key stable coins in this bull market? All of that in this video, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest in cryptocurrency and stay ahead of the market. And don't forget, check out the links in the description if you want to trade cryptocurrency, get in futures, or buy the token I launched and come and join us on our live streams. It's definitely worth your time. With that being said, let's get into this video. So I thought it was worthwhile just touching on RLUSD, currently ranked the 2,980th biggest cryptocurrency out there due to CoinMarketCap simply just not fixing its life. But it is very interesting when you start to look at this and look at some of the volume that's starting to run through. For example, on bullish, $4.894 million in 24-hour trading volume. Bullish again on a BTC pairing, doing about 2.4 million. So a good level of volume starting to run through as RLUSD starts to just trickle out into more and more opportunities for people to buy. It's just recently scored a massive milestone in Singapore. In fact, it's paired up and is now offering a very interesting reserve exchange, which is super bullish. If you ask me, this is a very important part, and we know that Singapore is a growing economy, certainly for digital assets, but the stablecoin is going to enhance cross-border payment capabilities and DeFi compatibility. This obviously is very, very good news. Now, if you've been under a rock, you won't know this, but ultimately RLUSD currently on the XRPL and also on Ethereum. If this is going to continue, then fair plays. But the structure enhances stablecoins compatibility, DeFi application, and facilitates its use in cross-border payments. The stablecoin, which maintains a one-to-one value against US dollar, is gaining attention as a reliable payment tool. And if you think about it, we talked yesterday about some of the XRP movements going on, some of these kind of big whale movements. And I think RLUSD for me is setting its standard. These are absolutely bolstered by liquidity, and I think Ripple are doing the right thing. We also saw open interest starting to grow on XRP futures as people look to what's going to come, and I think this is all very, very important. You only have to take a look ultimately what they're doing, and this is really, really key as to how they're going to make RLUSD a success and a key player in the market. I opened up this video by saying that I think Ripple and their USD platform is going to be very important. But Ripple knows that a new product has to attract market attention. There's got to be a use case and a reason for it. And the company's made several important transactions, including 10 million RLUSD in 1 hour, distributed in 1 million lots, ultimately getting to Uphold Exchange and really making sure that that liquidity platform is very important. If you take a look at the project I launched, it's one of our key fundamental pillars, which is make sure you have a very strong liquidity pool. This allows people to come in and go out of the project, and it doesn't ruin everything. I think that's very, very important, and Ripple are doing the same. XRP's cryptocurrency seen significant increase as well, trading around 232 at the point of recording this video, and that's up nearly 8% in the last 24 hours. So the two things feel like they're going hand in hand. The stronger they're pushing the liquidity for RLUSD and the adoption rate, it's supporting a price growth on XRP. And I think these two things are not mutually exclusive. That's why we're seeing whales buying more. And I think this is always a good narrative to keep your eyes peeled on. What are the big wallets doing? What are people doing? We talked yesterday about the fact that we're seeing outflows from exchanges. This is a bullish sentiment. People moving off exchanges, being sensible and holding their cryptocurrency off an exchange, but while at the same time pricing in a bigger move. And absolutely, we are seeing the same thing again. You only have to take a look at this chart here from Sentiment, giving us a view here of what's going on from whale volume versus price. And as we see price decline here, we actually are seeing more and more whales or more and more big wallets accumulating significantly more. This is any wallet with over 1 million to 10 million XRP buying the dip, as it were. But XRP continues to show this resilience, which is a far cry from where we were at 40 cents, where everyone said nothing was going to happen. That multi-year channel has now significantly been broken. I think there's lots more upside coming when you take a look at fundamentally what's been built with XRP and, more importantly, what's coming over the course. You can see here currently trading around that 230 range after successfully testing the 4-hour moving average and exponential moving average around 196 a few days ago, with that market correction that seems to have today absolutely skyrocketed. This is bullish momentum. Both the moving average and the exponential moving average are regarded as key indicators in assessing the health of an asset and, more importantly, XRP's ability to hold and move from these signals. And I think this is very key indeed. Once again, we like to take a look at some of these Fibonacci levels, and very importantly, we were talking about this in my live stream, the break above the 382 at 293 has been broke on the daily, which is a very good deal. 236 at 214, we did come down, retest that as lower support, and bounced very, very nicely. You could then start to move into the 12-hour chart, and it paints an even stronger picture. Not only did we break the 382 Fibonacci to hold at 229, we actually broke the 20-day exponential moving average. This is very bullish news. I up 241 in the short term, longer term 0.76 at 270 is going to be key levels as we want to see this breakout to continue up towards that $3 mark. And like I said in my previous video, I think a $3 break on XRP could be very bullish indeed. Look out for that Trump inauguration as we start to walk into that. $7 million have been donated by Ripple and Ripple associated partners in Trump's inauguration fund. They are hedging their bets on a big bullish move from Donald Trump when he gets into office. But we'll break all that down for you when we come back from Christmas. But until then, enjoy your Christmas with your family. Thank you so much for watching all the videos. We massively appreciate all your support. Get ready. 2025 is going to be a big year for crypto. It's going to be a big year for this channel, and it's a big year for Marbits, the token I've launched. Do check all of those things out. Have a great Christmas, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.